We have the basic tips, which it's a touchscreen. You scroll up and down to be able to look and scroll through your menus and features and glances. Then you have your start and your back button. Press the start button to access the activities and the apps list from the watch face, and swipe from left and right edge to return to the previous screen. Then you have starting an activity with the start button. Select the activity button and press the start button to activate the timer. Pressing the button again will pause the activity. So then you have your glances. Swipe up from the watch face to access your glance list. This provides at-a-glance details on your health metrics, performance stats, and more. Then you have your notifications center. From the watch face, swipe down to access the notifications from the watch or a connected smartphone. Next, you have your essential tips. You have settings. To access the watch settings, find your settings in your app list. Then you have your controls. Hold the start button or swipe down from the top of your app list for quick access to handy functions like flashlight, wallet, or do not disturb. Now let's go into the customization tips. First, you have your watch face, which if you want to see a more detailed video about how to customize and all the features the Vivoactive 6 actually has, check out my 720-hour watch review of the Vivoactive 6. But the watch face, use the watch face app to pick a new watch face and make changes to color or data, which, just so you know, you can actually download new watch faces off of the Vivoactive 6 watch itself, and you don't have to use the Garmin Connect app. Then you have the edit list. Select the edit function in any list to move, remove, or add a new item. Then you have your music. You can access music from your app list, listen to music you have added to your watch by using music apps like Spotify on your watch, and you can also control your phone's music player, which there are actually more music apps that you can connect to your watch and then listen to music from your watch with Bluetooth headphones that you have paired to it. Then you have the wallet feature. After adding a payment card in the Garmin Connect app, you can access your wallet from your watch controls. Now let's go to the pro tips. We have activity lanes. Access your music player and activity settings quickly during an activity by swiping left and right from your data screens. Now let's talk about the shortcuts. You have customizable shortcuts in the settings for quick access to your favorite apps and controls such as wallet, music, weather, and more. If you watched my video of the 3 secret features of the Vivoactive 6, I go a little more in detail of what options you can do and the 3 different options you can choose from when choosing shortcuts. We have the body battery. The body battery tracks your energy levels throughout the day. Your negative drain, like stress, can deplete your body battery at a higher rate, and positive drain, like activities, help your body battery stay resilient over time. You want to aim to keep stress low and stay active throughout the day. Then we have calorie tracking. You can track the total calories burned using your activity and your heart rate from your watch. This includes a breakdown of active and resting calories. Then you have HRV status, is heart rate variability, is the changing length of time between 2 heartbeats. HRV status is measured while you sleep and compares to your 7-day average HRV to your personal HRV baseline. Tracking HRV status can help you understand whether you are maintaining a balanced good life or stress and recovery. Then you have intensity minutes. Track your minutes of moderate or vigorous intensity activity on a weekly basis. Health organizations recommend at least 150 minutes of moderate activity each week. Then you have your pulse oxygen level, which measures your blood oxygen levels with your watch. You can take readings on demand or set your device for all day or nightly readings. Then you have your respiration, where you can view the average numbers of times you inhale and exhale per minute. Resting rates are typically around 12 to 20 breaths per minute. They have the sleep coach on this watch. Your sleep coach recommends the amount of sleep your body needs for the upcoming night. The sleep need recommendation takes into account your current status of activity and your stress and your recovery and your sleep. Then you have sleep score. Your sleep score is the number from 0 to 100. 6 primary factors contribute to calculating to your sleep score: the duration, the stress, the deep sleep, the light sleep, the REM sleep, and the disruptions. Wear your watch while sleeping each night to receive a score along with sleep data each stage. Then you have the last feature, which is stress. Track your stress levels throughout the day to help access your overall levels of stress. This metric uses heart rate variability to estimate when you are under stress or at rest. The Vivoactive 6 gives you all these tips in the watch, and these 25 tips will make it so that you can actually use your watch to the best ability. But if you're looking to see the best features of this watch, check out my video of me wearing the watch for 720 hours, or check out my video on the 3 secret features of the Vivoactive 6 right over here.